Hello everyone, it is Walt back here with another part of this series, part 5 in fact. Yes, let's see if I can get the series title right, because I keep forgetting it. Yeah, it's like, attract wealth into your life instantly in 7 simple steps. Something along those lines. I hope I'm getting closer. Anyway, link to the actual articles in the description. Wonderful article. Check it out if you desire to do so. Otherwise, here is my summary and in-depth covering of this kind of materials. So yeah, well, what are we talking about this time? Yeah, 5 parts in. This one is about respecting the power of money. Okay, here's a problem in modern society. People don't respect money enough. They desire it, they want it, yet when they have the, guy in the limo drive by, they want to throw eggs at him. They want to say, oh, down with all these wealthy guys, and the system's unfair. If you earn money, you must have done it, illegally, and you must have cheated to get ahead, and stuff like that. There's so much of this story in our society where kind of these days there's the whole pushback on the hate the rich, eat the rich kind of idea once again. And people are really disrespecting the power of money. They're saying, oh, money's evil, money's so terrible, now I want money, And those are clearly mixed messages. The subconscious mind's like, you're sending me mixed messages, what am I gonna do, huh? And that's basically what's going on here. The subconscious is just getting all these mixed messages. You're getting, oh, I want money, but also I hate these people with money. And the subconscious mind's like, make up your mind already, come on. I don't know what I'm doing for an accent. I'm just feeling, feeling whatever here. But yeah, let's dive into it. So why do people do this? Well, clearly it's because of the jealousy piece to some degree, which we talked about in the last video, part 4 of this series, after all. But yeah, I mean, on top of just the jealousy thing, people often think that money is used for evil purposes. Ooh, those billionaires and their big money and their fat cats and Wall Street and blah, blah, blah. They're doing all this evil stuff, corrupting the system, destroying the environment, man. We gotta, fix this. Okay, hold on. Get off your high horse for just a second. Yes, there's clearly some stuff that needs improvement there, but you also can't think that every rich person is doing the wrong thing. In fact, I would say that at least 95% of the rich people tend to be doing the right kind of stuff. It's just that other 5% that people play up as if they're like all of them, which they are not, okay? So once you get that through your head, really understand that rich people, of course, are going to be the most charitable people because they are going to have more money to give to help other people. So many different charity events, all that kind of stuff. And really, it's just the ability to be nicer, to give more, all that kind of stuff is great. So rich people are not on average evil, okay? Just run that through your head, and before you want to judge rich people, get to know a few of them, actually get to know them. Just don't listen to a news story or a cartoon about them, Actually get to know the person and see what you think of them. That's not saying there aren't evil rich people. There are. It's just, it's not the majority. It's like any group of people. So, now that we've got that through our head, respecting the power of money is really just saying money can do some great things. Imagine you have a huge fortune. If you wanted to do the education system better, you could do that. You could just, found a new school. If you wanted the teachers to be paid more at your school, you could pay them a lot more because you have the money for it. And you could teach the kids a lot better. You could teach them to be happy. Things like that. Also, by the way, this is my plan, so don't steal it. Or do steal it, I'm fine with that, the happier we get people to be, the better. So, if you want to do some project like that, money can do that. Money can do a lot of things. So while it can be used for bad things, think of money as good because of the things you will do with it. It's very important to see money as good because money is so much like a lady, okay? Remember this one. This is a good one. I'm trying to remember who I learned this one from. Yeah, there's some fun ones who've referenced this idea. I want to say, let's see. I'm just trying to think of all the people who've said this one. Anyway, I'll give you guys a video on the money's lady later on. But anyway, there's some hilarious material out there about how money is a lady, and really she's gonna listen to what you say about her. So if you say bad things about money, it's like saying bad things about like a beautiful woman, and you're like, oh, she's terrible and she's evil and blah blah blah. Yeah, if you say that about a beautiful woman, how long do you think she's gonna stick around, huh? not very long. So if you want more money, you want to attract wealth into your life, it's important to acknowledge that money has power for good and that you will do good things with it. Once you do that, you're on your way to attracting more wealth into your life. Anyway, that is about it for this video. I am Walt, and I'll link up my Amazon material if you guys want to check out any of that kind of stuff. Otherwise, just continue on with this channel, like, subscribe if you'd like to, and I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So, stay tuned. I'll see you then.